Why Busy Bee? And you for blow up? Yeah, I had to write up a couple of sides. This one's murder. You understand the suicide, right? I even kick more flavor in murder. You gotta listen. That's right. Hey, Pippin, break it down. Come on, let's have a little fun. Come on, everybody on the right hand side. I want everybody to get up to the people on the left hand side. This is murder. All the Bronx is just cooling out. Queens boys over there, they over there just chilling. Hey, yo, cowboy, yo, man, look at Busy Bee.
Poison, baby. Nigga, poison.
Hey, yo, easy. Hey, yo, where you going, man? You always walking, man. Down the dark way, trouble had to find me. A street corner shark was coming up behind me. I grabbed my pistol, punk started to whistle like you got a missile. Boy, you know this'll be fun. I put my hand up on my gun. He tried to cut me on the run, but yo, I'm not the one. Flexing up the trigger finger, a dead ringer. I'm not a singer, and life just don't linger. But I looked the boy in his eyes, and he almost cried. But before he died, murder in the first degree. That's what you get when you're messing with the Busy Bee. Yeah, murder. You better write your will. I'm Busy Bee. I pay the bills. I'm dressed to kill. Murder. Murder style. Murder style. A black guy on Howard Beach. A boy lay bleeding from his head to his feet. The police writing up his report. Drinking coffee from a cup and doing what he was taught at the academy. Mistaken identity. The boy was a friend of me. Guess he wasn't meant to be. Remedies, diagnosis, or a cure, or a conclusion. There's no confusion. It's just winning and losing. Hey, there's no pity or remorse. There's no pause. Cause what's lost is lost. So throw his body in the back. And they'll say that he was high on crack, but it's murder in the first degree. That's what you get when you mess with society. Yeah, murder. You better write your will. I'm Busy Bee. I pay my bills. I'm dressed to kill. I'm talking about murder.
Hey, yo, Busy Bee, man, what's up, Scorp? I'm just tuning out. So what's up with that female? Word up, man. Hey, that's that fly what's up about it.
But man, girl named Patty drive the black caddy. The girl was so fine, I wanted to kiss her daddy. Bring her mama out to dinner. Bring Patty to the racetrack. Then bring home a winner. Buy her earrings and medallions. I got juice by the gallon, but she got legs like a stallion. Plus to be a cutie, so duty. She got brains plus beauty. Don't even think about the booty bumpers, and she got no brakes. So when she walks, it shimmy and shake like a California earthquake. On her knees, she would drop. She'd go on the horn and say, I can't stop. The way she moves, the way she pose, she knows how to put on clothes. I never leave her, I never desert her. She's so bad. Murder. Yeah, dance, sucker. This is murder.
He used to be a professional, now he's all of that.
Talk about that other girl, bitch. The real deal. Oh, a pretty good looking, fine young lady. Driving a Mercedes, soon to have a baby. 3 months gone, she's treated like a pawn. And all the joy riding good time, and all of that was gone. Her world changed, she was feeling strange. Things was running through her brain, craving hunger pains. And her and Freddie stopped going steady. Then reality hit her, she realized she ain't ready. So now she must proceed with caution and sneak to the clinic and get an abortion. They both fetal, the lesson's too evil. It's still wrong, but still legal. It's murder in the first degree. That's what you get when you mess with society. Yeah, it's murder. You better write your will. Busy Bee, pay the bills. I'm dressed to kill. In Beth style, it's do or die. It's no why. Why's a crooked letter? Yes, let's go get her. You better remember Beretta. The song said her, don't do the crime if you can't do the time. Don't let it get away. The prey you must slave, because if you get caught, you get the time anyway. A lot of guys went to jail who ain't ready. The only thing worse than the criminal is one that's petty. Go to jail to get large. He's doing life. What's his charge? Murder in the first degree. That's what you get when you messing with the Busy Bee. Yeah, it's murder. You better write your will. I'm Busy Bee. I pay the bills. I'm dressed to kill. Talk about murder. Murder style. That's right. Everybody sing this. Come on now. Murder style. Murder style. Sing it, y'all. Murder style. The murder style. Come on. The murder style. The murder style. Man, they hold the murder style. The murder style. Come on. The murder style. The murder style. I sing it, y'all. Murder style. Murder style. You know it. Murder style. Murder style. Come on. Murder style. Murder style. Do it, y'all. Murder style. Murder style. Murder style. Murder style. Do it, y'all. Strong city. Strong city. Strong city. Get busy. That's right.